everyone, my name is Jel Andree K, Tutor, and I am here to discuss all about domain and range and introduction to functions. So, we will tackle now first about domain and range, that it is the most important concepts in functions, and based on them we may make question that is related to functions. So, what is domain? It is the set of the first coordinate or the values of x in our x and y planes, and or shall we say the values of all values all possible values in our input. So, and the range is the set of the second coordinate or the values of y in our x and y planes, and or shall we say the values of all the possible values of our output values. So, we have here a set of numbers which is 5, 3, and 4 and 2, and 6 and 1. So, we are now going to find its domain and range. So, the domain here is 5, 4, and 6, and the range is 3, 2, and 1, based on the definition that the set of the second coordinate is the, so not all the times the number set is a representation of a function. So we should also think how we can visualize our domain and range of the function if we are given such equation like this. So I have here an equation which is f of x is equal to x. And we are going to find its domain and range. So the domain here is all the possible values of x here, and our range is the all possible values of y, which is our output. Or if this is our function, then if we multiply our f to our input values, it will give such as an output value. So it is the range of our function. So I have here another equation which is f of x is equal to x squared. So what will be the domain of the function? So the input x can take any values here. So our domain here is all values that x can take, and our range, it is very interesting because all y is greater than or equal to 0, because all y is greater than or equal to 0. Why? Because the square of a number cannot be negative. It will always be non-negative. So guys, there are two main constraints common in the exam. The first one is, let me state an example. F of x is equal to 1 over x minus 2. So the domain is the set of all possible values, right? So can x take any values here? So the domain would be all x except x squared. So this is which is to our first constraint, which is the denominator should not be non-zero, because if it is a 0, then the function is undefined. So now let's move on to our next example, which is f of x is equal to square root of x minus 3. So can we have a negative number within the square root? Well, I don't think we can. So x minus 3 is greater than or equal to 0, which means that x has to be greater or equal to 3. So x here can take any value which is greater than or equal to 3. So that brings to our second constraint, which is even have non-negative number within them. So remember this, the denominator should be non-zero, and even roots cannot have non-negative numbers within it. So for the last example here, I have here f of x is equal to x squared plus 1. So look at this term. Can it be negative? Basically no, because the square of any number will be x is greater than 0, or the minimum value of the function will be 0 plus 1. 0 plus 1. Minimum value of a function is 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. And which means f of x is greater than or equal to 1. or shall we say x squared is x squared is greater than or equal to 0. So that was all about domain and range. So hope you'll learn about our topics these days. So if you like our video, please subscribe down here.